Right, let's go and see what we've got. Apparently Lawrie came out and did one of these a few weeks ago and it took him an hour. It will take me 10 minutes or I shall say that it did. Let's see where they are. This time you've got the old man.
Oh, Simon, is it?
You think so?
Yes, I recognise you. Do you know, I feel terrible having to call you again.
So you should do.
Yeah, I know.
It's appalling. It's £10,000 this time. Right, let me get a bit of kit. Right, I have no idea what I'm going to do. I wonder if I use the same method as Lawrie or do something totally different. So he used those. Now all we need to try and find is some zip ties, which Lawrie said he used a load of. Right, let's see if we've got enough kit. Oh, let's go back in there.
It was a week ago that
Right.
that Lawrie came. He stuck a camera up. He had to improvise with that, didn't he? Mm-hmm. It sounded slowed down, but he found it was right up near the top.
Right, okay.
And he took a photo of it, and then eventually he got a grabber, but he had to sort of
Make something up.
making that,
Absolutely. Sure it's not sitting on the top of the chimney pot?
No, I've heard it flapping a little bit.
I can see nothing at the moment. I'm quite a long way out.
It went, I think, did he say it went up to like the top of the ceiling
I
almost?
think he did, yes.
And then there was a ledge that goes backwards.
Yes.
Yeah, I can't get it any further up at the moment. Oh, something's going to happen, you know. It's going up a bit more now. If I could have cucumber sandwiches about 4, please. Strawberries and cream about 4:30.
That would be very nice, wouldn't it?
Wouldn't it just?
It's just not finding them at all at the moment. Oh, try not to ruin your house if we can help it.
It goes for long times without making a noise, and then it was quite vocal the last time.
Right, let's see if this gets me up any better. See if you start seeing anything. It might be up there, but I can't see anything. I expect him to see him flapping or doing something as I go up past him.
Heard that.
But, I felt it. Oh, I must be washing my hair tonight. I still haven't seen him.
I think you're too high. I think if you bring it out, you'll see him on the way back down.
I can feel him on the end of the wire, but I can't see him. Very odd. I can feel him edging my wire regularly, but I can't. God almighty. Oh well, I wanted my hair to get some colour again. Try plan 17B. Right, I'll just turn the camera around because I can't see him on the way up. I know he's there because I can feel him, so I'm going to try to look down from above by having the camera like that, see whether it gives me any better view. He's somewhere there because I can feel him. Get the timer on, Abby.
Oh, you got it. Well done.
Ow! Don't bite me, you little toad. I'm going to put him out in the garden because he's quite hot and bothered, obviously.
Yeah.
So I'll try not to walk too much soot across as I go.
He looks so. Oh, don't worry, that's all right.
I'll see if I- Right, go on, off you go. Right.
Wash your hands.
I'm filthy all over, don't worry. Look.
Want a cup of tea or anything, Simon?
No, a large Bacardi Coke would be great, but I can't because I'm working. If you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel by pressing the red button. And make sure you hit the bell to get notifications of our latest content. If you want to help us save wildlife, please donate. Every £1 you give will help us to save more wildlife.